Hi, welcome to another Agento SaaS application demo. Here we are focusing on how an agent can auto-create user memory based on the interactions that users have with the agent. So it will automatically extract structured entities from the conversation. So that is the idea. So this can come very handy when you want to build your own chat system and you want to get customer information in a structured way and store it in a database. Okay, so let's see it's working. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Here is the code. It uses SQLite local database. Here we are defining the local SQLite database file system, and this is the location where the DB file is saved. And then we are clearing this, which normally you will not need. You may want to persist the information across application restarts. Then we are creating the Agento memory object and passing the memory DB object here. Okay, so at this location, the agentic memory object is ready. Here we are creating the key. This will act as the primary key. So here John_Doe_ID, and this can be any alphanumeric string. Here we are using email address. Then we are creating a message just to demonstrate. Here is the text that we are adding to user memory. We will see where this is saved. Okay, and then we have another call, create user memory, but this time we are passing sample conversation history. It says, my name is John Doe, that is great, I like to play golf, etc. Below that, we have another user ID created, and again a user memory with this message, I like to meditate in the mornings and practice yoga to stay centered. And then we are also including a chat-like conversation history, and where it has, I like to play tennis. Then we are printing the user memory. So let's see how it runs, how it looks. So I ran it like this, run sh, cookbook, agent concepts memory 03 memory creation. So the output looks like this. See John Doe's memories, user memory. The username is John Doe. You see, it picked up from the conversation history the user name. Input user, my name is John Doe. I like to play golf. Message is saved as it is. If you see here, it automatically created the topic name and saved the message. Okay, user's name is John Doe. Then it created another user memory topics, hobbies, and it saved, I like to play golf. Now here again, another topic, hobbies, and user likes to meditate and practice yoga. In case of Jane Doe, it has captured the name, Jane Doe. Hobbies, it picked up, it is saving, like to play tennis. Finally, it has saved one more user memory with interests and lifestyle, and meditates and practice yoga. So this is the demo that shows how an agentic system can auto-create structured information in the form of user memory. It can be grouped under different categories. So this will come handy when you're building your own chat system. So please give your valuable comments and remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.